What's going on YouTube? This is Rod checking in with you real quick. Alright y'all, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to harvest your own turnips. So turnips, you get a 2-1 deal, you get the greens and you get the roots. So I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. It's real simple. Okay, so to know when your turnips are actually ready, they will actually let you know. They literally will budge out the soil and show itself. When it's bulging out the soil, just like the first couple of shots that I showed you, it will literally let you know like, yo, I'm ready to be picked. Now, as far as size goes, like this one is like a medium size right there. I've seen some as big as my fist. I've seen some that's really small. It all depends. Usually, what determines the size of your turnips usually depends on how often it's being watered, the fertilization. When it comes to fertilizer, they love phosphorus, so make sure you give it some phosphorus so that way it can give it some good root production. So like I said, it depends on how well you've been taking care of your turnips, because they do suck a lot of water really fast, like honestly. Another thing too is sunlight. Make sure it's getting enough sunlight as well. So yeah, I'm just over here just picking the rest of them and just making sure I'm knocking off the dirt. As you can see, I'm pulling off the dirt from the root itself. And any leaves that's yellow, you want to go ahead and just pick the leaves that's yellow off, so that way you don't have to mix that in when it comes to bringing them in the kitchen. Now, if you haven't bought one already, a basket, a garden basket, you need to go get one. Some people have been asking me already, like I posted a little clip on Instagram, like, yo, where you get your basket? I'm gonna tell you, you can go to Home Goods. I don't know if y'all shop at Home Goods or if you even have a Home Goods near you. Home Goods has really good baskets. So anyway, your turnips, right? You want to make sure, like I said, you get the yellow leaves off, and you want to keep all the fresh ones. You see these? They looking real good, y'all. And I'm not trying to boast or brag. I'm just saying they looking really good. Okay, so on this next scene, what I'm doing is I'm lining up the turnips, because right now what it's time to do is to wash them off. So I'm going to get the water hose and I'm going to spray them all off, because we need to make sure that we get all the dirt off of your roots, unless you like some B12. But yeah, just go ahead and get your water hose, spray them off real good. You're going to start to notice they're going to start looking extra refined in color. Like, look at them, guys. Come on, man. They already shining. So you just want to make sure that you're getting all of the dirt, the grime, grit, whatever it is, because we want to make sure our turnips is really good and clean, especially when you eat them. Greens in general, you want to make sure your greens are pretty washed up really good. So this is pretty much, it's really simple, guys. Like just blast them with the water hose and flip them a couple of times. You don't have to do it my way. I'm just showing you a quick little demonstration of how I do it. Honestly, this is actually how I do it, just to show you guys. Usually I like to just take one hand and use the other hand and hold the water hose and just spray them off real good. So that way I'm just getting all around. So that's what it looks like after it's been sprayed down. You see that little piece of leaf? I'm gonna flick that off eventually. So that's pretty much it, guys. You just want to make sure when you harvest, just make sure that it's bulging out the soil. It looks like a decent size for you. Go ahead and get the yellow leaves off and pretty much spray them down. And that's pretty much it. And I'm gonna be honest with you, once you pull up the turmeric, once you pull up the turnips, they're not gonna grow back. That's it. Once you rip it out the ground, that's it. I've seen some people actually cut the tops and replant the tops. You can do that, but hey, I mean, who got time for that? But anyway, thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll be back with another one.